Okay, time to do another video. Sorry I've not done a video for a while. It's been about 6 months, I think. But the caravan's nearly finished now, so I'll just do a quick video on each aspect of it. This is painting the outside of the caravan. We did look at different ways of doing it with 2-pack and different methods of painting, but because of the location, I didn't really want to use 2-pack. And also the skin of the caravan and stuff's got a few scratches and dents and stuff, and it's not really dead straight. There's a few scratches and stuff. I think if it was a dead straight caravan, we probably would have 2-packed it, would have come up better, but yeah, ended up putting a few skin repairs on it and stuff. But it's come up pretty good. It was about 6 months ago when we painted it, so I thought I'd just wait a little bit before I did a video and make sure it's still all intact and not falling off. It does need washing. I've not washed it yet, so it's painted it 6 months ago. There's a few streaks on it from the rain and the mud on the roof. Yeah, it's come up pretty good. It's like a textured sort of metal finish. It's all held on, nothing's fallen off yet. We used Dulux Weather Shield with a Dulux primer and bought a Wagner spray gun to paint it. And yeah, it's come up pretty good. I painted the drawbar slightly differently. This had a bit of rust on it and stuff, so I just used this with the pressure pack cans with a primer and then an aluminium paint, same as what I did the windows with, actually, the window surrounds. But that's come up really good. Just quickly show you the equipment we used to spray the outside of the caravan. So we used the Weather Shield, just the stuff you'd use on your gutters and your garage doors at home. It has a lifetime guarantee, so I don't know, it should be pretty good stuff. If you read the box, it says to use this all metal primer first. So we sugar soaked it and scotch brightened it, and then we primed it, sprayed it on, and then Weather Shield top coat. And that's the green little stripe, and that's the gun we used. I just thought using this, if you did scrape it or needs to do any repairs, you can easily just touch it up with a brush, as opposed to 2-pack where it's going to be a bit harder to touch up. Pretty happy with it. Cheers.